Why should you repair your window rather than replace it? Let's assume that the window is not rotted, or you want to replace it simply because you're remodeling the house and you don't like the look of the existing window. Let's assume the only reason that you're thinking about replacing the window is an operation issue. Typical premium windows, we're going to ballpark here, in October of 2025, you're going to be like $3,200. That's all in the cost of the window, the installation, the flashing, the trim, the sealant. The typical window that we're repairing, at least here at the Cape May Shore, is like $325. With the tax, you're almost like $350. So you get $350 to fix it, $3,200 to replace it. So it's kind of a no-brainer. It is a no-brainer. Give me a call. 609-889-9500. Be happy to help you with your window repair.